Hello, I have a Sharp CV-P10NC air conditioner. The three front lights are blinking. I saw that it means to drain the water, so I did that. They are still blinking.
Hi. When did you last replace the air filter for your Sharp air conditioner? Are the air vents unblocked?
I just washed them as well. I read on here that it could be the water sensor is blocked by debris, so I unscrewed the 6 screw on the back and the 2 on the front. I can't figure out how to take the front or back off. Help. LOL.
How old is your Sharp air conditioner?
I am not sure. I bought it used. Can I find out?
How long has this been going on with your Sharp air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
It just started tonight. This has happened before but worked after I drained the water, but after draining the water this time it won't stop flashing. I tried unplugging it, draining the water and cleaning the air filters.
Is there anything else the HVAC tech should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
I just turned it on and it seems to be working. I'm going to give it a couple minutes before I assume that it is working again. Thank you for your help, by the way.
Hi, my name is Mike. I'm sorry you are having this issue. I have accepted your question and will be happy to help you. Please note my hours are 6:30 p.m. to 5 a.m. MST, Mountain Standard Time. If you reach me within that time frame, I should be able to immediately respond. However, at times it may take a little while for a response depending on workload. Outside of that time frame, my response will likely be much longer. Please reply to this message so we can get started. Thanks so much, Mike. Smile. One thing you can try is resetting the unit. Shut it off for 15 minutes at the breaker, then power it back on. This should get it back on track. If this does not work and you need more help, please don't hesitate to ask more questions. Smile.
Hello? How do I reset it? I am not sure what the breaker is.
Sorry about that. For this one, just unplug the unit for 15 minutes.
Okay. I unplugged it.
Okay.
Should I plug it back in or give it a few more minutes? I plugged it back in. It seems to be working now. But it did this before. Yeah, it is doing it again. Flashing lights again. Hello?
Okay, this is sounding like either the switch that checks for water level has failed or the unit is low on refrigerant and possible going off on a low pressure safety.
Okay.
That could be a high pressure safety as well. Are filters cleaned out very well?
Is there anything I can do to have that fixed right now? We cleaned the filters a little bit ago. They are very clean.
Can you see the coils that the filters are protecting? How do they look? Clean?
Just slightly dusty.
Can use a vacuum to clean these off. Be careful not to bend the fins.
I can't reach them with my vacuum. It is a very small opening that I can even see them. Is there an option for you to call me?
Typically there is, but I cannot accept calls at this time. Another thing you can try is a can of compressed air with a red straw. The ones that are typically used for cleaning computer equipment.
Okay. I'll try that tomorrow. It seems to be working right now, so I think we are good for now.
Okay, sounds good. I will check tomorrow for a response. Smile.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Smile.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.